I did something a little crazy. Probably not recommended, but I have to do it. I was gonna do it anyway. I'm actually quite happy about it. So this might not be everybody's thing. It's probably most people's not their thing. I'm not gonna show anybody until it sells. I have a red on red Poang chair. We're gonna finish it. One fan is drying the chair and the other one's pushing the fumes into the filter. The Poang chair is done. The Squirt's red can is finished. It does smell out there, but it is basically contained inside the gazebo. I've got two fans drying it, so I hope no one's annoyed. It's done. It's finally complete. The red Poang chair. Probably most people's not their thing. I'm not going to show anybody until it sells. So this is the stinky Squirts. This is the stuff I had to spray at 5 AM. I could probably do with another coat. When I go to do that chair, since I'm already, giving everyone around here the Squirts, I'll probably give this another layer of Squirts. If someone buys it, they buy it. If they don't, I'll keep it. My plan is to sell it as a team. I'm very excited to put it together. Here's my basket. I sprayed it this morning. Look, it goes in here. That is my vision. This is now what I do. The paint booth finally got that chair finished. It only took 2 months. I went and bought 2 of these red Poang chairs. The covers, this chair, the wood, was free. So I got a white Poang chair for free. And the white Poang chair had a rip in it. Maybe they stopped selling white covers because they look like this. Cover had a rip in it. So I steam cleaned a white one that had a rip in it. Sold a red one with the chair. $35. Then I picked up this mocha cover, which came with a mocha rocking chair, the ultimate chair of Poang, but it's mocha. But my husband loved that, so I ended up giving it to him. Sold a red on wood Poang chair, grey mocha cover with no chair, and a terrible ripped white cover with no chair and no cushion. So at least this one has a cushion. The other one, this white one, doesn't even have a cushion. Can you believe someone came and just bought it? I told them, look at the photos, read the description. And I showed it to them and I'm like, are you sure you want this? Are you sure? Look, there's a hole and it's a little bit yellow.
Well, that's just gonna be there for a very long time.
And they go, yes, 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 we do. So it's like crazy, eh? Like people just want stuff. So, who am I to say no? So I sold that for $10. I mean, I thought it was worth $3 or $2, but they're happy to pay $10. But I told them I steam cleaned it and they were super, super happy.
Look, hung cushion.
Someone appreciated my Bisselin. Also bisseled this one because it had throw up and poop stains from a young infant. I really want the stained one. Guess what? Someone's coming for this today. Can you believe it? If someone was to buy my red on red Poang chair, oh, look at it, then all the Poangs would be gone. Red. I have to think about it because I can have red on red. What the chair looks like, but it's only half done. Half-baked red chair. Well, it looks like the red did get out. It could be on everything. Raspberry, gloss cherry, red. Make a very cool and unique looking Poang chair. Cherry red gloss from Squirts. Boxing bag. That boxing bag is terrible. All the straps just snapped as soon as I moved it. Snappity pop, snap, snap. The guy that sold that stuff to me, that came in the $150 kit, the one that I accidentally overpaid for. I don't know what I was thinking that day. Forget my point. My point is people are buying these Poang covers and it's insane. Insane what people will buy. And I'm currently preparing the really difficult basketball thing that took me ages and 2 workmen had to come and help me. I'm gonna make it wild because I thought, why would I be normal? I can't do that. It looked like I was about to make somebody just get knocked out cold. Because she said she had COVID, there would have been COVID on that shelf. Her house was like in the woods. So I reversed the car near the woods and I put my mask on. And then I put gloves on, like surgical gloves. I got out this spray bottle, got out some wet wipes, and I got a lot of them. And I walked from the car through the forest to her house with a mask on, with these surgical gloves, these wet wipes. Oh, even I felt scared. I'm like, oh, this is like something out of a really terrible movie that I never want to watch.